Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're ready to ditch the plastic, then you're gonna wanna check out this amazing set of solid teak wood cutting boards from Relxinke. One of my favorite things is the size of this cutting board. First of all, the thickness is amazing. It gives it that butcher block feeling. This set comes with a larger cutting board and a smaller one. And it's great that it comes with divots where it makes it very easy to handle or move these cutting boards. I was able to cut a variety of fruits and vegetables on these cutting boards and they held up beautifully. Something that's great about the larger cutting board is that it does have this ridge all along the edge, which does allow it to catch any excess liquid. I have had these for a while now, and I am super impressed. These are a solid piece of wood, and you can really feel it as soon as you get it out of the box. This company offers a variety of sizes, so you're sure to find the right set for you. So if you're ready to make the change, then I would highly recommend this set of solid teak wood cutting boards from Relxinke. And that's my point of view.